Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest Bluetooth hands-free kit. Allows you to easily answer end-to-end calls. 3 years warranty, Bluetooth, some specs, in-ear handset with built-in microphone, in-ear handset charge with 12 volt or 25 volt socket from your car, compatible with all standard smartphone with Bluetooth. We've got 2 USB ports. Okay, let's open it to see what we have inside, and we're gonna find out one by one the specs and how it works. Inside we've got a manual. If you want to read it, your choice. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about that. Here it is, connected to your light adapter of your car. Output we've got 5 volt 2.1 amp and 5 volt 1 amp. There's the Bluetooth. You can take it out. Here we've got 2 metallic contact plates that are coming with contacts here, and you can charge it. Included we've got 3 ear tips and one it's already installed. Range is about 5 meters. Here we've got a button, you can push it and turn it on or off. Operating time is about 2 hours, and for charging it is about 1.5 hours. We've got a supported Bluetooth A2DP, HFP, HSP and AVRCP, and stays connected after you have exited your car with no problem. Of course, you need to be about 5 meters from your smartphone. It's quite small. I expect it to be bigger, but it's nice. Silvercrest logo. Well, let's put it, if we see it has any juice inside. No, it doesn't have. Well, we're going to charge it, and then I'm going to connect it with my smartphone, and I'm going to find out if it sounds good or not. Now, here we are. Let's put it to my lighter adapter, and you can see it goes red. That means it's charging. Well, let's wait for charging, and then we are going to connect it to my smartphone. Well, there we are. I think it's fully charged. Let's push the button. You can see it's flashing. Let's take the phone. We can go to the Bluetooth settings of our phone. Now, let's put it once again. And now it is in pair mode when it's flashing red and white. Now refresh, and there is the SBF 2A1 pairing. Allow access to contacts and call history, pair, and battery says is 80%, can connect it. Now let's see how it sounds. It's flashing white. Let's call and see the call quality. Of course, that is everything on a Bluetooth hands-free. Oh, nice. Can you hear me? Nice, and yes, everything is okay. How is the quality of my voice? Very clear. Okay. Yeah, I hear you very good, with no problem. Well, that sounds nice. Okay, we can talk. Bye. Well guys, I can say the quality of the voice from the other side is very clear. He can hear me very good, and I can hear them very good with no problem. I think it's very clear. Of course, it will be wisely to test it on the car when I'm driving with the windows open. I don't think so any Bluetooth has problem with that when you've got your windows open and you're talking into your car. But overall, don't talk into your smartphone where you're driving. That is the right way. Well, overall, I think it's a nice device. It costs 15 euros, and I think it's doing a great job. Sounds great, quality is great. And if you need something like that to your car, the cost is so low, and it gives you 2 USB output to charge your smartphone or other devices that you've got. And of course, you can charge and that by put it in this case. Well guys, that was all about this Silvercrest Bluetooth hands-free. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.